Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to edit videos using Photoshop. Yeah, you heard it right. We are going to edit videos using Photoshop. Now to get started, what we can do is just go to open and just open a video that you want to edit. So once you open the video, make sure the video is of the extension as .mp4 or .mov, .mkv. So any extension that is for videos that is well known, so .avi works as well. But yeah, we are using this .mp4 file and we have opened it now over here in Photoshop. So as you can see, after opening it up in Photoshop, you get this as your workspace. So here you have the timeline where you can do all the editing. So from here I can just zoom in or zoom out to the timeline or the clip, and from here I can cut the clip or trim the part of the clip that I don't want. Using this I can move the you can say I can move from a certain part of a video to the different part. So suppose I'm watching this one, I don't want to watch this one, I just want to move till here. So I'll just drag this one and then I can move the frames. Over here this displays that these are the frames that is occupying, what you can say, this is basically like 29.97 fps. So this means that this video is shot using a camera that had 30 frames per second resolution. So that's quite nice for the clarity. And over here we have volume, so we can either turn on the volume or turn it off depending upon our requirements. So I'll keep it on, but in this particular video we don't have volume as such, so we are not going to keep that, like it doesn't matter in this particular case. Then we have the pause and play button, so you can pause and play using that button, or what you can do is just press your space bar and then work your way around with that. Now we have something called as the settings icon. So under this settings icon, as you can see, we have the option for resolution. So currently it is at 100%, but I won't recommend while editing videos, don't keep the resolution as 100. Even if the resolution is like 25%, only the preview that is going to be generated is going to look pixelated, but the output is going to be of high quality, or the quality that your video is originally. So you don't have to worry about that. But if your resolution, as mine is currently 25, if your resolution is low, even if the video in the preview it looks pixelated, but in real it will look good and you will have no trouble while editing, because the video frames will be smoother and it will be easier for your PC or the desktop to process the information. Because if you keep the resolution at 100%, it becomes hard on your PC and it is tough for your PC to manage all the tasks running in the background. But well, let's not get into the technical stuff. Let's see how to work with the videos. So now, as you can see, the resolution is set at 25%. Now if I just start by playing this, the video is going to look pixelated, but I'm getting the target FPS as 26 or 27, which is very good, and the video is getting played very smoothly. Even though if the quality is not so good, the video is getting played very well, and that's what we want. And now we are going to work with this one. So these are the like two different, you can say, the slider options. So if the slider is at the left, it means that more and the more video can be consumed in this space, and it is going to give us the zoomed out view of that particular timeline. But if I just take it towards the right, it is going to zoom inside the video, and we are going to see each and every second frame in this particular timeline, so that we can work our way even better. And then we can just play the video, and if you want to edit or cut any part of the video, what you can do is just first let's minimize this one so that we have a clear view. So as you can see, I want to edit this part. What I can do is just tap on this scissors and it is going to cut these parts into two. So I can either tap on this one and press the delete key to delete that one, or I can just tap on this one and press the delete key to delete that one. Or instead of this, what we can do is, if you don't want to delete that and you are working in the last frame where you just want to delete this last portion, instead of working with the scissor tool, what you can do is just drag this frame towards the left, and it is going to get cut easily because you don't have to use the scissors tool. It is just going to get cropped till that particular region where you want it. So now you can just play and it will stop over here. It won't move any further. If you want to get that back, you can again just drag it out and get your video back. So now as you can see, I've got the video back and it's working very smoothly, and it's just very easy to function, right? Now the thing is, if you don't see this timeline over here, or if this layers panel over here, what you can do is just go to window, and under window you can go to workspace, and under workspace you have something called as motion. So you can tap on motion and you can get this, but my window is like my workspace is already saved, and this is my workspace, so I'm not going to mess with this one. But if you have any trouble using the timeline, you can just do that and work your way around with that. Well, for this tutorial, this is it. We have just learned the basics of video editing using Photoshop and the basic introduction to the workspace of this particular tool to edit videos. But in upcoming tutorials, we are going to see more ideas and more tips to edit videos in best ways to make the videos look better and merge videos and audio using Photoshop. So well, that's it for today guys. If you found the video to be helpful, please like the video, and in case of any queries or suggestions, please feel free to reach out to me through the comments. With that being said, it's me Agarwal signing off for the day. See you in the next one. Thank you.